If the LED light flashed blue, there are two common causes. Search for the cause as follows. First, check all wire connections at the charging station and also whether they have been connected correctly. Left wire, left plug. Right wire, right plug. Connection guide wire. The second possible cause is the connection of the boundary to the guide wire. Please check and, if in doubt, use a new coupler. After checking all these points, the light should turn green. If not, please contact Gardena service. The wire may be damaged or cut by the robotic lawnmower or other garden work. As the wire is invisible after a few months, it can be tricky to locate the damage. Here is a useful searching method. Take remaining boundary wire for the test. At the end, attach a charging station connector. Replace one end of the boundary wire with the test wire. Pull the new wire to the middle of the boundary wire. Cut the wire from the roll and also the boundary wire. Use a connector and reconnect all three wires. If you pulled the left connector from the charging station, you will now be able to see if the right part of the boundary wire is broken or not. If the light turns steady green, you now know that the problem is in the left part of the boundary wire. Cut the test wire and secure the coupler on the ground. Now do the same in the middle of the broken part. Finally, you have narrowed down the area in which to search for the defective wire. When you have found the broken wire, you repair it like this. Sometimes there is not enough wire length for working. Then you need to add a bit extra wire with another coupler.